fans. So today we are rail fanning across Wisconsin again. So yeah. Yep. Anyways, train's over. Train's already cleared.
Right, no way. Where am I going now?
We're gonna keep on going straight. We're actually gonna go over to. You're actually gonna go over to 2nd Avenue quick. Yeah, we maybe want to sit up there. Alright. We're almost there. Alright, folks, we are almost there. Just to let you know, folks, we're gonna go to 2nd Avenue for just a little bit.
Okay.
And if we don't get much train, and we're only gonna get one train at 2nd Avenue, but then after this, we're gonna go to Grand Crossing. Okay? If it's another eastbound. We're gonna be at 2nd Avenue for a maximum 15 minutes. After those 50 minutes, we're going back to Grand Crossing because we got some CPKC trains to get to. Alright, we are almost there. And yep, oh, we finally made it. And it's like 6 oh. I gotta check the time. And it's like 6:03. So whatever that means, there's no forklifts, so I can go as close as I can.
Hold on. Car behind us.
Yep. I'll just bring my Taco John's with. Yep. Here we go. This is where I was. This is where I was, when I got a catch of a train. I was right at. Yeah, I'm only gonna be here for like 15 minutes, so. So right now it's probably 6:05. At 6:20 we're going back to Grand Crossing. 6:20. If it's at 6:21, I'm a little late. Wow, my drink tipped over. Alright folks, it is 6:20 and we still have not got a train. You can see there's no trains coming right over here. Even right there. Yeah, as you can see. So I'm headed off to Grand Crossing. First I had to go use the bathroom at Quick Trip, and then I'm over at Grand Crossing. You know, I was there because, yeah, I had to go to the bathroom. Anyways, I'm headed over to Grand Crossing. Alright, I am headed over to Grand Crossing. Alright, we are almost at Grand Crossing. Does the temperature say 37? Alright, here we go with lights and everything. Alright, drop me off right over there. Like right over there.
Right here? Or up further?
Drop me off right over there.
Right here? Or up? Okay.
Right. Put these two in the backpack, please.
You want chips in the backpack too?
Put the tortilla chips in the back. Here, you're gonna have to get out of the way because I'm getting a tripod out of here too.
Careful.
Alright. Alright, I'm gonna set up a little bit more further away from the spot. so I can see the CPKC trains a little bit more. Or if I can see the signals from here. I don't know what that sound is. Can you see the signals from there? Still a little close. Yeah, I'm gonna have to move a little bit over. Might get a train during this move. I think you can still see the lights, but actually I'm gonna go back to that pole here. But I'll move over to the quick trip sign if a guy tells me to get off a property. I think he won't see me from here. Yeah. There. I mean, I can still see the lights. Yeah, it's just... I can still be able to see the trains. Thought I heard a train. Here we go, we got our first train. That's the brewery train. It's the brewery train, 2925. There's gonna be another northbound train. Alright, I'm gonna get like a couple more trains and then we're out. Okay. There it is, the train. Well, we got a CPKC GEVO. After this, the Amtrak. Oh, looks like the Amtrak got delayed. After this, there's going to be another BNSF train, I think, and then we're good to go. That's such a tall auto rack. That's a wreck. I think this train's slowing down. after this train goes by, then another train's gonna come. Yep, CPKC I-82 with TPU. Sorry if my camera's blurry. After this train ends, we're gonna get that BNSF and we're out. Hey. Shoot. I know I got a BNSF train. Yep, the Amtrak did get delayed. That's a long train. There's the end of it. We got a green light. Finally. So we may get a train meet. Hey, okay, here comes. Here we go. Second BNSF train, and that one's even bigger than the last BNSF train. like. It's like. Oh, we got another train with it. Finally, it was. Oh, look! Northstar! Northstar passenger cars. Wow, that's a really rare train. Can't believe we got Sunrail, or no, Northstar. Can't believe we got. Can't believe we got Northstar. A Northstar. Yep. I can't believe we got Northstar commuters. Northstar cars. Hurry, because my phone's at free. Please. Bucks. Hurry. You need some time. Oh, there we go. Now it's charging. I'm gonna record every time. I'm gonna press record every time it stops. Because now my phone is critically low battery. Might even be. Only record up to 1 minute because my video's really low, critical. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go up. You're gonna have to hurry up, Bear. 1, 2, 3. It's gotta be 4. See how many of these I can record until train ends. Every time I get near 1 minute, I have to stop and redo. All right. Flip it all. All right, here we go. Big one. Got to finish to record. Pretty big. All right. Good evening, folks. I will see you in the next video.
You need a charger?
I'm just recording right there.
Huh?
I already got a charger.
Okay.
It's gonna go up. I'm done recording. we go. Fastest. Here we go. Yep. That's it, everyone. Good evening, Hero fans. I'll see you in the next video.